Guys, good morning. So this about what I mentioned in the thumbnail about conversational RPA. So RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. It's one of the simplest and easiest form of automation. And for example, you want to copy information from a file and transfer it to another file. So in that kind of task, there's not much thinking required, right? Because you're just copying and pasting. So if you're someone who has been doing that day in and day out, it would probably be more efficient if you can have a bot, short for robot, do that particular task. So that you can do other value adding task that you can do throughout the day. So RPA is really very simple, and again, the purpose of this video is just to be able for you to converse about it confidently, what RPA is all about, right? This is not meant to train you on it, but merely to trigger more desire for you to learn the various types of automation, and I'm sure you will benefit a lot. So this is like watching a movie trailer. More or less you'll get the gist of what the movie is. So that's what RPA is all about. One of the simplest form of automation, automating simple tasks. So that's RPA in 2 minutes. Thank you guys.